We'll guide you through how to review Claude efficiently on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Claude's official website. Once there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. You'll see the dashboard, which is your main hub for interacting with Claude. Now, to review Claude's performance, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Feedback or Review section. This section is specifically designed for you to provide insights on your experience with Claude. Inside, you'll find a form or a series of questions that guide you through the review process. Make sure to be as detailed as possible when answering, as this feedback helps improve Claude's functionality. You might be asked about the accuracy of responses, user interface experience, or any suggestions for improvement. Take your time to fill this out. Once you've completed the review, there should be a Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click it to send your feedback. Remember, your input is valuable and contributes to making Claude better. If you have any specific issues or bugs to report, there might be a separate section for that, typically labeled as Report a Problem. Use this to detail any technical difficulties you've encountered. Finally, check to see if there's a confirmation message indicating that your review has been successfully submitted. And that's it. You've now reviewed Claude. Thanks for taking the time to provide your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.